What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be removing our tanks, the expansion and the blower tank, the True Forge ones, the one we were talking about in the previous video. I'm just going to take the car out and reverse it back in so that any coolant that comes off doesn't make a mess and it just rolls off from the garage here. So let me go do that real quick. Alrighty, well, here we have it. These are the True Forge tanks. I will be honest with you guys, I like them a lot. They're TIG welded. The design on them is like none other. They did a really good job. And it goes perfect with the car. I mean, there's very few tanks out there that can match this type of quality. They do also come with, here, this wrench. Pretty cool looking wrench. The way it works is you just have these rubber fittings here, you put them against the lid, and all you got to do is just turn and you open them up. So that's it. Pretty cool design, works well, but fortunately they will be sold to another Cobra owner. So let's start with removing these, and I'll show you the different steps that we're going to take. To start off with, let's remove this cover. We just got these two right here, two little screws holding this plate together. Let's remove those and then we'll move on. All right, now that we've taken the cover off, what I highly recommend you guys do is grabbing yourself a battery powered pump. This one was like 10 bucks from Harbor Freight, pretty cheap, and pumping out as much coolant as you possibly can out of these tanks because you don't want to make a mess underneath your car. Alrighty, let's see how she does. Okay, that was pretty quick and pretty easy. Now all you got to do is just remove these lines. You're gonna have two for each tank, one right here and one underneath. And then same deal here. You're gonna have this one, and then you're gonna have that one down here, down below. All right, now that one of the tanks is gone, it's right here. To emphasize my point, look at how much coolant spilled out of that tank, regardless of me pumping as much as I possibly could out of it. So like I said, I highly recommend getting a pump, getting as much as you can, because it still will become a mess as long as you just don't want it to be as much. But one tank down, one more to go. This one should be easier than the first one, so here we go. All right, so here we have it. Second tank came out way easier, just as I thought. Here we can have a look. Now I was planning on probably swapping out some pulleys as well, the belt, now that these tanks are out, since they do occupy a lot of space. But that might be for another video coming soon. All I did was just plug those the lines up with some rags. I didn't jack the car up, so I know some of the coolant might be making its way down since it's lower than the motor. So all right, guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on what's to come. The new tanks that the owner is going to be sending me should be arriving here soon, and we'll be probably power coating those and installing them in the car as well. So thank you much for watching. Thanks for your time. Be safe out there. See you guys in the next video. Peace.